Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best trailer tire is probably one of the most critical components for any trailer, ensuring safe and secure transport of your cargo, whether you're hauling a small utility trailer for weekend projects or a large fifth wheel for cross-country adventures. Its performance directly impacts your journey's safety and efficiency, making the right choice paramount for peace of mind on the road. Number 5. eCustomrim ST17580D13 Trailer Tire Rim Assembly. Introducing the eCustomrim Trailer Tire Rim Assembly, designed for reliable performance and stable towing. This complete assembly ensures consistent tire operation for your trailer. It features a bias-ply trailer tire with a 1,360 pounds, max load capacity and 50 psi rating. The tire has a 24.4-inch overall diameter and is load range C, built for dependable performance. The 13 by 4.5-inch rim has a 3.19-inch center bore and a 5-lug on 4.5-inch bolt pattern. This ensures a secure fitment for your trailer tires. This assembly is DOT approved for safety and includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty with roadside assistance. It's ready for immediate use on various trailer applications. With a reinforced square shoulder tread, it provides improved road contact for better stability and grip. You can maintain control even under varying load conditions. Experience durable and quiet performance thanks to its precision-engineered construction and modern tread design. It's built for long-lasting trailer applications. The rubber compounding is RoHS-compliant, minimizing hazardous substances for a more environmentally friendly option. Its construction delivers optimal strength and durability. What we like. This tire offers enhanced traction with a reinforced square shoulder tread for improved grip. It's also RoHS compliant, making it an environmentally conscious choice. If you're looking for reliable performance and a commitment to sustainability, this is a solid option. What people say. The tire has a good load rating for its size, making it suitable for heavier trailers. It handles well on the highway, providing a stable and smooth ride even when loaded. The tread pattern offers good traction in various weather conditions, ensuring safety. Number 4. eCustomrim Radial Trailer Tire and Rim ST18580R13. Experience reliable performance with this radial trailer tire. It's designed to support stable towing and consistent tire operation for your trailer. This will features a 5-lug on 4.5 center bolt pattern, ensuring proper lug alignment and a secure fitment for your trailer tires. This complete assembly is DOT approved, providing a ready-to-use tire designed for safety and consistent performance on various trailer applications. A built-in sidewall scuff guard helps protect the tire from curb and road contact, enhancing its durability for long-term use. With extra-thick rubber construction, its reinforced sidewall improves durability and structure, supporting long-term performance for heavy trailer applications. High-strength steel belts add structural integrity to its construction, ensuring superior longevity and enhanced durability for towing heavy loads. Enjoy peace of mind with a 6-year manufacturer's warranty that includes roadside assistance for your trailer tire. What we like. This radial tire boasts a built-in sidewall scuff guard for protection against road contact, enhancing its durability. With an impressive 6-year warranty, it offers long-term peace of mind. If you prioritize durability and extended warranty coverage for your trailer, this tire is an excellent choice. What people say. This tire has a strong sidewall that holds up well under load. The tread pattern provides excellent traction, even on wet surfaces. It's a durable tire that has lasted for many miles without issues. Number 3. eCustomrim ST18580D13 Galvanized Trailer Tire Rim Assembly. This bias-ply trailer tire is built for demanding applications. It offers a maximum load capacity of 1,480 pounds and can handle up to 50 psi, ensuring stable towing and consistent operation. The 13 by 4.5-inch rim features a 5-lug on 4.5 center bolt pattern. This ensures proper alignment and a secure fit for your trailer tires. This complete assembly includes the tire, wheel, and valve stem, all DOT approved for safety. It's ready for immediate use and comes with a 2-year warranty and roadside assistance. With a reinforced square shoulder tread, it improves road contact for better traction and control. This helps maintain balance even under varying load conditions. Enjoy a quieter ride thanks to its modern tread design with a variable pitch. This reduces road noise for a smoother towing experience. The rubber compounding is RoHS compliant, minimizing hazardous substances. This makes it a more environmentally friendly choice for your trailer. Precision engineered for optimal strength and durability, this assembly is built to withstand the toughest trailer applications. What we like. This option features a galvanized wheel for added durability and a modern tread design that reduces road noise for a smoother tow. If you're seeking a quieter ride and corrosion resistance for your trailer, this tire and wheel assembly is worth considering. What people say. The tire has a good load rating for its size. It handles well on the highway, maintaining stability even when loaded. The tread pattern provides good traction in various conditions. Number 2. eCustomrim ST18580D 13 Trailer Tire Rim. Introducing a bias-ply trailer tire built for dependable performance. It supports stable towing and consistent operation, ensuring peace of mind on the road. This trailer rim features a precise bolt pattern and center bore for secure fitment. It ensures proper alignment, making installation straightforward for your trailer. This assembly is DOT approved for safety and includes a 2-year warranty with roadside assistance. You can tow with confidence knowing you're covered. With its reinforced tread, it offers improved road contact for better traction and control. This helps maintain balance even under heavy loads. Enjoy a quieter ride thanks to its modern tread design that reduces road noise. It delivers smoother towing without compromising performance. Engineered for strength and durability, this tire is also RoHS compliant, reducing hazardous substances. It's built to last and be kinder to the environment. What we like. This tire provides enhanced road contact with a reinforced square shoulder tread for better traction and control. It's also made with RoHS compliant rubber compounding for environmental consideration. If you need a tire that offers stable handling and is mindful of environmental impact, this is a great pick. What people say. The tire is a good size for a trailer. It holds up well on the road. The tread pattern provides good traction. Number 1. eCustomrim ST18580 are 13 radial trailer tires on white spoke wheel. Introducing the eCustomrim radial trailer tires on white spoke wheels. These tires are built for reliable performance and stable towing. Each tire is rated for a maximum load of 1,480 pounds and 50 psi, with a load range C. They are designed for consistent operation and stable towing. The 13 by 4.5 inch rim features a 5 lug on 4.5 center bolt pattern, ensuring proper alignment and a secure fit for your trailer. This is a complete DOT-approved assembly, including the tire, wheel, and valve stem. It comes with a 6-year manufacturer's warranty and roadside assistance for peace of mind. Featuring a built-in sidewall scuff guard and reinforced, extra-thick rubber construction, these tires are built to last. High-strength steel belts add structural integrity for superior longevity. With a full nylon overlay cap, they offer enhanced durability and stability. This provides superior performance, especially when towing heavy loads under demanding conditions. What we like. This radial tire features high-strength steel belts for superior longevity and structural integrity. It also comes with a 6-year warranty, offering exceptional value and reliability. If you need a robust tire designed for heavy loads and long-term performance, this is the one to go for. What people say. These tires are great for my utility trailer, they hold up well on long trips. The tread pattern provides excellent grip, even on wet roads. I was impressed with how well these tires balanced, minimal weights needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.